There's a creature drifting through the ocean, smaller than your fingernail, transparent, delicate, almost invisible to the eye, and yet it holds the key to something humans have dreamed of for millennia: immortality. This isn't a myth. This isn't a story from the depths of folklore or fantasy. It's a fact. One of the only known animals on Earth that can truly live forever. This is the story of the immortal jellyfish Turritopsis Dohrnii, and how it cheats death itself. For as long as we've existed, we've feared the end. From ancient empires building tombs to modern labs engineering gene therapies, our species has fought against aging like it's a disease. But nature, she plays by different rules. In the warm waters of the Mediterranean and the Pacific lives a creature that doesn't age in the way we understand it. Instead of marching toward death like the rest of us, it simply reverses course. It becomes young again and again and again. The Turritopsis jellyfish begins its life like many others. As a tiny larva floating in the current, it anchors to a rock, transforms into a polyp, then blossoms into a delicate adult, complete with flowing tentacles and a bell-shaped body. But here's where things get strange. When most creatures are wounded, stressed, or aged, they decline. The immortal jellyfish does the opposite. It initiates a process called transdifferentiation, a biological trick where one cell type turns into another. Heart cells into skin cells, muscle cells into brain cells. Like rewinding a biological clock, it reverts back to its youthful polyp state, starting life anew. And it can do this theoretically forever. Imagine a world where your body could heal not just wounds, but time itself. Imagine living through centuries, witnessing empires rise and fall, oceans rise and recede, stars blink in and out. That is the quiet, drifting life of jellyfish. It doesn't seek fame. It doesn't crave attention. It simply lives, then lives again. No grand declarations, no songs written in its name, just the gentle rhythm of rebirth in the deep. And yet, we barely understand it. Why does it do this? How did it evolve this gift? And what are the limits of its immortality? Could it still die from disease, from predators, from changes in the oceans? Yes, but in the absence of violence or infection, this creature has no biological expiration date. Even more mysterious, why haven't more animals evolved this trait? Why aren't there forests of immortal deer or flocks of reborn birds? Why only this jellyfish? Some scientists believe the answer lies not just in its biology, but in its simplicity. Its cells aren't burdened by the complexity of brains, bones, or aging organs. It is the perfect minimalist for eternal life. And now, the question looms larger than the jellyfish itself. What if we could copy it? Researchers in Japan, Italy, and the US are racing to decode its genes, to learn how it turns back time, to apply it, maybe one day, to human aging, disease, or even death itself. Could we unlock a future where age is reversible, where cells obey our commands, where immortality is no longer fiction, but science? Or is there a reason why immortality was given to something so small, so forgotten, drifting quietly through the sea? Perhaps the jellyfish teaches us something deeper, that the goal isn't to live forever, but to live wisely, to live fully, to be reborn in purpose, if not in flesh. Closing. In the end, the immortal jellyfish may not hold the secret to cheating death for all of us, but it does whisper a possibility that life, even when fragile, holds wonders beyond our understanding. So the next time you look out over the ocean, remember, somewhere beneath the waves, a creature is starting life again, and again, and again. What do you think? Could we ever unlock the power to live forever? Would you want to? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this journey into nature's strangest secrets, like, share, and subscribe for more mysteries beyond the lab.